So where are we going? We are going to
BGC.
BGC is one of the nicest parts in the Philippines. It's more of a high end. As you can see, guys, I am sweating. It is so hot here, but you really kind of get used to everything. I'm kind of already used to the heat, but you can see I did put some face oil on me and just some moisturizer, so it does look a bit oily in a way. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So right now it's nice and cool, so we can actually finally go out. My beautiful cousins. Hi! Oh, look at that! Wow! Well done! Wow, we had a lovely picture. Wow, we're here in the BGC. We're taking some pictures out of here. This is absolutely lovely. Take pictures. This is such a nice place here. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my god, look at this, guys. It's so popping out here.
BGC buses here. But if I'm in Taipei, if I live with titas in Taipei, I just took the motorcycle. Later.
Taking a stroll, checking out the area. Wow, look at the water fountain. I just love it here, guys. It's just so peaceful. Everyone is just sitting down, chilling. So we're just chilling, waiting for my other cousin to arrive. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I really love it when it's really nighttime, especially when the weather is like cooler. You can really go out and enjoy it more. So we are waiting for my other cousin, and they're right there. Hi! Hi, Kuya.
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good, yeah. This is nice.
Have you been playing badminton? No?
No, I didn't. I was with Jimmy. I went to Pure Gold. Yeah. Hi. Oh, hello. We have the whole gang right now. Big family. We have the whole family now. What's this called, Kidzooona?
Central Square.
Central Square. So this is called Central Square. We're going to find a kids area for the kids to play. So similar to like playgroup, but this one, I think there's one called Kidzoona. So we'll try and get the kids to run around and have fun. Look at that water. Wow, look at this. Isn't this nice? So peaceful here, guys. Oh. Jump, jump. Yes. Yes. Trying to find a restaurant. Everywhere we go, guys, it seems to be busy because it is really busy here, guys. So So this is the W City Centre. This is a really nice look. The architecture on those buildings, so nice. It's nice and cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely, nice and cool. Yeah, night walks are the best because it's so much cooler. You can really get around a lot more. It's nice. Gonna take a moment to appreciate how incredibly beautiful this place is. BGC, Bonifacio, Global City, and honestly it's one of my favorite spots, especially at night. The waterfalls and the colors, there's something magical about the atmosphere here, the way the city glows, the reflection of the water, and just the energy all around. Kidzooona. We're gonna have little man have a play. Wow, he loves this. Where is he? Where is he? Wow, you having fun? Whee! Wow, look at this, guys. This is called Kidzooona. You got a house, we have sand, we have Legos. Oh, this is sand. We're just chilling, watching our boys. Yes, we are. We're having fun. Even though I'm really hungry, guys, I am super hungry, but we just want to let them play and have fun while we wait. Hi, this is my ate. You doing some music? So we're having food, we've got salmon, sweet corn, all the family. Here is avocado dory, the taste have barcade. Hello, hi. And then they have Bahin Mean Kitchen, that looks yummy. I've already had my food, guys, so. Then there's Curry House Pepper Lunch. So yeah, this is what we had. So this one is Steak Kitchen. Here they have a menu, classic fried chicken, seasonal dish. Bye bye, Koya. Bye bye. Bye bye, Koya. See you. So they're about to head back now. A lovely evening with the family. So that's the end of today's vlog, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Until next time in the Philippines.